how to find the medication a patient is on. In this video, we will talk about using the medication screen, the repeat template screen, and I'll give you some helpful navigation tips and printing tips. Within every patient record, the medication node shows a list of all the prescribed medication. Typically, the screen is used in date order, but you can arrange this by reordering the columns, such as by drug name to make it alphabetical, if you desire. This screen includes acute issues, issues of repeat template medication, identified by this icon here, and it will also include any recorded non-GP medications, such as hospital or dental medication, identified with this icon. You can change the view options here to adjust how the screen displays this information. Some users prefer to view only the current medications the patient takes. You may prefer to view the past 6 months' worth, and others find it useful to see every medication ever given in a simple alphabetical list. However you prefer to view this screen, the right-click options are available on each medication, and they will give you all the functionality required to deal with them as necessary. You may also have seen the Repeat Templates option in the clinical tree. This screen shows you the medication that has been prescribed to the patient on repeat. You can choose to view current, past, and deduction-ended repeats, and you can reorder the columns so the medication is displayed as you prefer. As with the medication screen, the right-click menu gives all the required functionality to manage repeat medications. Each medication displays the date it was last issued, as well as the review date or maximum number of issues for that individual repeat template. If a patient has reached the maximum on either of these, the medication will need reauthorizing. The compliancy indicator is useful to see quickly if a patient is taking the medication as prescribed. If they request it too early or too late in comparison to the issue duration, the compliancy indicator will go from green to amber or even to red. There is also a flag column. You can use this to quickly identify useful information about medications. For example, items that have been issued or never been issued, those which have reached a review date or a maximum issue count, and to quickly identify controlled medication. If you are searching for a specific medication, don't forget you can always search in the journal here. If you are struggling to find a medication, or the patient can only tell you the symptoms it was prescribed for, this should help you find the medication much faster. As well as the default medication and repeat templates screens, you could also set up views at your organisation to display medications in your preferred format. This example view has been set up to show the current acutes, current repeats, and allergies the patient has, all in one place. You can right-click on the medications found in this way and manage them. You can set this view to the printer like this to get a printed summary easily. Finally, a couple of tips for you. If your patient is asking for a repeats list so they can tick what they want to reorder, you can print this simply by opening their record and pressing the Quick Print button. This will send the repeat list to your printer. If they need a printed list of their current medications for other purposes, you could do this by right-clicking on the current medication view, go to Table, open as RTF, and this will be ready to print from Word. Did you find this video helpful? Let us know with a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to the channel and follow us on Twitter